Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make mine and my family's favorite easy and fast chop soy. For my chop soy, you will need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of sliced cabbage, 3 ounces of bean sprouts, 3 ounces of baby corn. You need 1/2 cup of sliced celery, 1/2 cup of sliced carrots, 1/2 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 pound of pork loin cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 of medium onion sliced. You need 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Knorr chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of a cooking wine, and some oil for frying. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mix our soy sauce into our 1 cup of water. Now we are going to mix in our cooking wine. I'm going to mix my oyster sauce, my sugar, my Knorr chicken powder, and my cornstarch into my liquid. Now that I have all my ingredients mixed for my sauce, I will set it aside. Now I'm going to turn my wok or a large skillet onto medium-low, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in my wok. Now that my wok is warm, I'm going to add my garlic, and I'm going to saute for 30 seconds. Now that my garlic has been sauteing for about 30 seconds, I am going to add my pork and my chicken into my wok. And I'm going to stir this and cook it for about 5 minutes to make sure my meat is cooked through. You will want to stir the chicken and the pork randomly so you can get the meats browned on all sides. Now that my meat has a little bit of a brown color to it and it is cooked through, I am going to add my cabbage into my wok. I'm going to give that a good stir. And now I'm going to add my celery and my carrots. And I'm going to stir that. And I'm going to let this saute for about a minute. Now that my cabbage, carrots, and celery have sauteed for about a minute, I will add my bean sprouts. And I will stir that well. And I will cook this for about another minute. Now that my bean sprouts have been cooking for about a minute, I will add my onion and my baby corn. And I will stir this well and cook this for about another minute. Now that my onions and baby corn have been sauteing for about a minute, I will add my sauce into my wok. I'm going to stir this well, and I will continually stir this until the sauce thickens. Now that my sauce is thick, it is time to plate. I've paired my chopped soy with some jasmine rice and some pot stickers. If you want a fast and easy recipe that you and your family will love, you should give this recipe a try. You will not be disappointed, I guarantee. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Comment down below what you want to see me cook next. And before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.